Yes!
Ray, what just happened?
I just got bear number 2 up here in Canada, being sponsored by A1 Archery out of Hudson, Wisconsin, where their slogan is 365 no off season. And this is my 3rd year hunting up here. Bear Trak Outfitters is the name of the place that helps organize this. And Dan Gibson's doing the filming, and I appreciate him helping me out on getting a bear today. So thank you, Dan.
Oh, my pleasure.
This is the first bear.
Where did you take it from?
First bear from a ground blind.
From a ground blind. Eye level with a bear. How does that feel, Ray?
That's pretty awesome, especially when the bear starts looking your direction and walking your direction.
Get a little bit of adrenaline there? I know I did.
It was very interesting versus having a bird's eye view.
There you go.
So thank you, Dan.
Good job, Ray.
A1 Archery, hunting 365, no off season.